dangerous than the night shift at the Quickie Mart.
Another defiant motorist? You'll soon learn your lesson, friend.
Must admit, the smell of fresh air is much more pleasing than the odor of the hot dog machine. Get in the car, please. I have many places to go today.
Take me to the Quickie Mart. I feel like a little shoplifting.
Get ready for the ride of your life. Thank you. Come again.
That ride was fine as fresh huckleberries.
I am having so much fun.
Yeah. Can you give an old sheeper a lift?
That is okay with me. Thank you. Come again.
Report of call. Yeah.
Farewell, honored passenger.
Thanks. You're the bestest driver ever.
Nice. Hello, Mrs. Simpson. Welcome to my humble automobile.
Smells like chutney. Can you take me to the grocery store? They're having a sale on nutmeg.
Here we go. Another satisfied customer.
Thanks so much. Yeah.
Get in the car, please. I have many places to go today.
Can you take me somewhere? Oh, I forgot where I need to go.
Get ready for the ride of your life. Now I must hurry to the next customer.
My wrinkles hurt.
I am having so much fun.
Can you take me home? Thieves stole my police car.
That is okay with me.
What's the big idea?
Take a penny, leave a penny.
See you around, dirtbag.
The meter has been running since I saw you.
Simson house, please. I've got some looting to do.
Here we go. Move your clumsy vehicle. Thank you. Come again.
Thanks for the lift, dude.
Get in the car, please. I have many places to go today.
I need to go to the Quickie Mart to get zip cream. A lot of zip cream.
Get ready for the ride of your life. Farewell, honored passenger.
What?
You're the best driver I've ever seen. The meter has been running since I saw you.
Wow, right. I promise I'll try my best not to throw up.
That is okay with me. Your misfortune is most entertaining. Another satisfied customer.
Thanks for the ride.
Hello, Mrs. Simson. I'm glad to be of service to you.
Indian cab driver? Now I've seen everything. I need to go and see Barry and Selma.
Here we go. Now I must hurry to the next customer.
Nice riding with you.
I am having so much fun.
Yeah, time for some mass destruction, man.
Get ready for the ride of your life. Thank you. Come again.
So long, do-rag.
Get in the car, please. I have many places to go today.
Can you take me home? Thieves stole my police car.
That is okay with me. Take a penny, leave a penny.
Thanks for the ride. I'll miss ya.
Meter has been running since I saw you.
Boat Quimby.
Get ready for the ride of your life.
Bless your eyes and Hades.
But do not fear. You will be reincarnated. Thank you. Come again.
That was so slow, I'm going to have my bodyguard beat you severely.
Looks like the end of the road for Apu.
Hey, your rating is...
10 cents.
Another driver on the road? Blast your hide to Hades, you meddling fool.